Now, one of today's new things I want to give to you, the big thing for today, is this new keyword, this. Okay, this is on page 35-3 of the book. The keyword this. If you see code that has a parameter the same name as an instance field, then what you naturally would do is say name equals name and age equals age. But that looks like nonsense to anybody in class, I hope. Okay, it'll compile, of course, but it's not going to work. It's just going to put this name back into itself and this age back into itself. It's not even going to look anywhere past this method for a name or age variable. It's got it right there. Why should it? So now when I run this code, I get null and 0 because name and age, the instance fields, are not being accessed and initialized. So this is what we're going to use. This refers to the object that got us in this class. Okay. This is kind of crazy, I know. I know. As I talk, I hear myself talking, of course, and it's crazy. So you want to put the object's string name equal to this incoming parameter. So you keep the parameter on the right side of the summed operator, and you put this on the left side for both of these. And then we're not going to have null and 0. We're going to have what we want, which is Alice 2 and Bob 4. Okay, so this is called shadowing in the lesson 38, page 3. Okay, the next one we did in class was play around more with the bird class. We added an instance field up here. Called can fly. Okay, this is not new. And then down below, you want to display if the bird can fly. We eventually had to write a toString method that also displayed the value of can fly. We did that with werewolf and zombie yesterday. And in order to get that value for can fly, you might do another constructor, public bird, string name, int age, and boolean can fly. Now I'm using those variables names there to force me to use this, at least with can fly, right? So we'll send to the constructor the appropriate name and age, but not all animals fly, just bird animals fly. So we're not going to send can fly to the animal class. Instead, we're going to say this dot can fly equals the can fly parameter. Okay. And then we got to write our toString method. Just like yesterday, we'll call super.toString to get the name and the age. And then we'll say s plus equals, maybe a space after it, plus the value of can fly. We'll make it neater in a second, but let's return that. And now see what's happening. Let's see, did I do anything in the tester with this new? No, I didn't. Let's go ahead and make another bird that has a value also for can fly. So bird v2. We'll call it Cindy. and give her an age of 3. B2. Let's see if that's going to work. Good. Run it. And false. Is that right? Oh, I didn't give it a value. Sorry. Comma. Let's give it true. So now we'll have 1 is false and 1 is true. There we go. And how's that look? That looks good. Okay. The default value for a Boolean instance field, like can fly, the default value for a Boolean is false. That's why Bob is false. We didn't make it anything. We didn't give it true or false, so it defaults to false. Cindy, the bird, though, we made it true, so she can fly. And then just a tiny tweak on this in class today. I wanted it to say something a little bit more nice and true or false. We said, let's see, what did we do? We said, if can fly is true, then add to the string down here the words can fly. So if can fly equals true, then S plus equals all that. You see it working? Else S plus equals cannot fly. Let's make this a little nicer here. There. And then return S. Is that going to work? So this puts the name and age. Let's see how this looks. Compile it. Run it. And now it says Bob cannot fly and Cindy can fly. And that's everything from today's lecture in a real quick video. Thanks for watching.